How to fix Instagram Reels scroll down problem. If you open up Instagram app, and then if you go and watch a reel, any reel that you would like, and while watching, if you scroll down, then you may not be able to scroll down. So if you're facing this problem, then what you can do is, first of all, open up your settings, and under settings you will have app and notifications. Tap on that and tap on see all apps, and here if you scroll down you will find Instagram. So before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And here you have Instagram. Tap on that, and then here you will have a bunch of options. Tap on storage and cache, and here tap on clear cache and clear all your cache from Instagram. So this might fix your issue, but if this still doesn't fix your issue, then what you have to do is search for Play Store, and on the search bar search for Instagram, and if you have an update, then tap on update. And after updating your Instagram, then you can open up your Instagram and search for reels, and that might fix your issue. But if this still doesn't fix your issue, then the last option is open up your Instagram, and then here on the bottom right corner you will have your profile icon. Tap on your profile, and here on the upper right corner you will have three barred icon. Tap on that, and here head over to settings and privacy, and under settings and privacy you will have a option help. Tap on help, and here on the first option you will have report a problem. Tap on that, and then tap on report a problem, and include and continue. And now from here you can explain what happened and what is not working on your Instagram. So explain that my reels are not working, like I can't scroll down, and you can also upload a screenshot of that problem, and after that Instagram will take action. So that's it guys, those were the few ways through which you can fix your issue, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.